morning students, all of you. Students, in previous lecture we studied about the lesson number 8 in subject grammar. So students, which lesson we studied? In previous lecture of subject grammar, what is the name of this lesson? So students, the name of this lesson is nouns, simple and compound. What is the name of lesson? Nouns, simple, compound. So I have one question. What is the mean by simple noun? And second question is, what is the mean by compound noun? Anyone tell your own opinion, your own answer? So students, listen carefully. I tell. The term simple noun is sometimes used to describe the nouns used to make a compound noun. Means that for preparing the compound noun, we use the simple noun. And two simple nouns are gets together and prepare the compound noun. In Marathi, simple noun म्हणजे काय? तर जे कंपाउंड नाउन तयार करण्यासाठी एक दोन नाउन्स एकत्रित येतात, त्याला जे दोन नाउन्स एकत्रित येतात त्या नाउन्सना सिंपल नाउन म्हणतात. आणि कंपाउंड नाउन म्हणजे काय? तर सिंपल नाउन एकत्रित येतात आणि जे नाउन तयार होतं that is called the compound. For example, bus stop. Bus is a simple noun. Stop is a simple noun, but they are togetherly called the compound noun bus stop. And always in compound noun we use the comma. Okay, sometimes we use the comma. So students, today's point name is block lesson number 9. Nouns, singular and plural. Singular noun and plural noun. So students, first of all, I have a question. Tell me the what is mean by noun? What is called the noun? So noun means the name of person, place, animal or thing. Noun means what? Noun means the name of person, animal, place or thing. Understand what is mean by noun? Okay. So students, today we study about the singular and plural. Means that the singular form of noun and plural form of noun. Okay. So singular means एक वचन. Singular means एक वचन and plural means अनेक वचन. In Marathi called the एक वचन, अनेक वचन. Singular means एक वचन and plural means अनेक वचन. So let's start. First of all students please see on a blackboard. Singular noun. First type is a singular noun. So what is mean by singular noun? A noun that names one thing, person or place. What is called the singular noun? Singular noun means a noun that names one thing. How many things? Only one thing, person or place. Singular noun means what? Singular nouns means a noun that names one thing, person or place. एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं नाव, वस्तूचं नाव किंवा एखाद्या ठिकाणाचं नाव जे सिंगल येतं किंवा एकाच व्यक्तीचं एकाच वस्तूचं येतं, that is called the singular noun. Then second type is a plural noun. Second type is a plural noun. So what is mean by plural noun? Plural noun means second type is plural noun. So plural noun refer to more than one person, thing or place. More than one. More than one. What is called a plural noun? Plural noun refer to more than one person, thing or place. Plural एकापेक्षा जास्त असणाऱ्या वस्तू, एकापेक्षा जास्त असणाऱ्या व्यक्ती किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्त असणाऱ्या ठिकाण त्याला काय म्हणतात? दॅट इज कॉल्ड द प्लुरल. सो here give the rule. So what is the rule first? To make a plural noun we usually add s. Rules. What is the rules? So first rule, to make a plural noun, to make a plural noun, to make a plural noun usually we add s. To make a plural noun we add the s. Okay, write in a short. So all students, please you write in your notebook descriptively. Okay, then second rule. What is the rule number second, or what is the rule number 2? So rule number 2 is, with words that ends with ch, sh, s, x or ss we form the plural by adding es. The words end with, the words end with, कशामुळे एंड होणारे वर्ड्स कोणत्या अक्षरांनी? ch, sh, s, x or double s. Okay, or double s we form the plural by adding ears. We form the plural by adding ears. ज्या वेळेला एखादे शब्द ज्यांचा एंड म्हणजे एंडिंगला कोणते लेटर्स असतील? ch, sh, s, x और डबल s असे वर्ड्स जे असतील ज्याचा एंड ch, sh, s, x और ss न होईल, अशा वर्ड्सचा प्लुरल फॉर्म तयार करताना आपण त्यामध्ये काय करायचं? es ऍड करायचं. Understand? Okay. So what is the example? First rule साठी example value, to make a plural noun add s. So first example is a table. T-A-B-L-E, table. So what is the plural form of table? So plural form of table is T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. Okay. So इथं काय सांगितलेलं आहे? सेकंड रूल काय आहे? With words that ends with ch, sh, s, x or double s we form the plural form by adding es. मग ज्या वर्ड्सचा एंडिंग लेटर ch, sh, s, x और डबल s असतील त्यावेळेला आपण त्याचा प्लुरल फॉर्म करताना काय केलं पाहिजे? We add the es. Okay. So students, for example, tax. T-A-X, tax. So what is for plural form of this word? You know that the rule number second, the second rule is, with words that ends with ch, sh, s, x or double s we form the plural by adding es. So answer or plural form is T-A-X-E-S. Understand the difference between the singular and plural? So next, nouns that end in o can add s or es to form the plural. For example, radio. R-A-D-R-O. जर रेडिओ ज्या वर्ड्स मध्ये ओ चा एंडिंग पॉइंट असेल त्यावेळेला काय करायचं? Nouns that end in o can add s or es to form the plural form. Many nouns that have a vowel before the final o will add just s to form the plural. So radio, R-A-D-R-O, काय येईल? त्याच्या एंडिंग पॉइंट s येईल की es येईल? letter we add in this word? Radio. So we'll add only S. Radios. Okay. Then next, many nouns that have a constant before the final form will add es to form the plurals. For example, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. P-O-T-A-T-O. So answer is P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Then next, be careful because there are exceptions. So here give the examples: piano, pianos, cello, cellos, photo, photos, avocado, avocados. Okay. So students, today's homework of subject grammar. Solve this lesson number 9 and send me the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.